Okay, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please, if you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, do so now. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to turn on the notification button so that you'll be notified by YouTube whenever I post in a new video. So in this tutorial video, I'll be teaching you how you can clone a website. So you can use it to clone any page of a website. So I want to use this page of this website for demonstration. So now this page of a website, this is a login form. So for example, let's assume for example I'm running a website and I need a login form, and maybe I don't have time to design a login form. So I can just easily go to any website that I know has a login form, and I can clone the login form or the page or any part of the website in which you want to make use of in your own. So now, how do we clone this page of a website? So the very easiest and simple way to clone a website is what I'll be giving us, and that's using your Chrome developer tool. Yes, I mean it's your Chrome developer tool. Using your Chrome developer tool, you can use it to clone any website of your choice. So how do you do that? I'll just right click, then click on inspect. So can you see I have this element source? So can you see if I click on this HTML, all the page is being highlighted, my whole page is being highlighted. So you just make sure you click on the top, just make sure you click on this HTML. Is that clear? So then make sure you right click. Is that clear? So once you right click, you just click on edit as HTML. Is that clear? So once you click on edit as HTML, you can just copy, Ctrl A to copy, Ctrl A to highlight or to select, or then your Ctrl C, or you can right click to copy. Is that clear? So you come to your text editor, any text editor. So here I'm using a Sublime Text. So you just paste in your code in your Sublime Text. So now over here I still have more to it. So this website has CSS, so you can see the styles over here. Can you see the styles over here? You can see your styles over here, but with this style you can't really clone. Exactly, you can't really get what you want to do here. So now what you will do is just come to sources. So your sources, now I have this CSS over here. Can you see? I have this CSS over here for my sources. So what I'll just do is I'll just click here and Ctrl A, and I will copy. Exactly. So I'll just copy this. Then I will once I copy this, what I'll do is you can create a new CSS file. Then you can also put in your CSS over here at the top, at the heading of your website. So I'll just put it over here, so you'll be not saving right now. So I have this over here. So once I'm done with this, so the next thing I will do here is if you have some JavaScript, you can see it. You can see all the folders over here. Can you see that? So I have a bootstrap. I have some bootstrap files over here because this website is a bootstrap website. So I have some bootstrap files over here. So you can actually download your bootstrap. So you can actually clone your bootstrap, any other files. any other files. You can actually clone any other files you have here. But what I'll be doing is I won't be using their bootstrap. I will get my bootstrap. So here I have a Ajax. So if you need the Ajax function also, you can also copy it. So the only thing you can copy here is the backend code, and the backend they use for this is PHP. So you can't copy a backend code because your backend is being interpreted into front-end languages. So there's no way you can clone maybe the PHP aspect, the backend, or the database. Is not possible. But for the front end, for the design, any front end languages, you can clone them using this method. So I want us to test run our cloning. So for us to do that, what I will do here is I have some bootstrap link over here. They actually link some bootstrap file, so we add all this already. Exactly, we add all these the css files over here. We have already cloned that, so what we just need to do is for us to get our bootstrap link. So let me show you how you can get your bootstrap link. So you can just come over to Google, and because they use bootstrap, so I can just type in bootstrap cdn w3 schools. So what I just click on this, so instead of using a file, I can just use a cdn that will be connected online. That will be what? Connected online. So let me see. So I have some bootstrap cdn here, so I can just copy, though we only need the css, but I'll just copy these three in case. So I'll just copy this and I will just paste this over here, so I can just remove this other. So I can now save my work. For example, let me save it on desktop. Let me save it as tutorial. So this is an HTML file. I can just use a, then type my dot html, then I can save this over here. So if I go to my desktop, I should see my tutorial.html. so if I should open this, can you see we've cloned it? So now it's not yet perfect. Maybe because of some, it's not yet perfect because of maybe some css files or some bootstrap files that are being missing. Let me check that. Maybe because of some bootstrap files that are still missing. So let me check. I think we copied the whole bootstrap cdn, but so let me just reload it. Okay, maybe we just need to add alignment, maybe align, then maybe we'll just add in center. Let me see if that will work out. Okay, not working out. So but basically that's how you clone any website you want to clone. That's basically this how you would clone your website. So whatever website you want to clone, this is how you would clone them. So I hope you love this tutorial. Please give it a thumbs up if you like it. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, and make sure you turn on your notification to receive notices from YouTube whenever I post amazing tutorials like this. Thank you. See you in the next tutorial.